Today, let's read this book, City Birds. Now, please read the keywords after me. City, city, park, park, street, street, tree, tree, bush, bush, building, building. Okay, now let's read the book, City Birds. This is a city. Birds live in the city. You can see birds in a park. You can see birds on a street. Birds make nests in trees. Birds make nests in bushes. Birds make nests on buildings. This robin makes a nest in a tree. Soon her nest will have eggs. Now there are 3 blue eggs. Are there any babies? The mom gives food to the babies. Soon the babies will be big. I like birds. Do you like birds?